Dirt Daughter here. Welcome back to the channel. So guess what my dad did the other day? He bought me this amazing bike. It's a Kawasaki KLX 110. And today we're going to be teaching you how to change the oil and how to change the air filter. So let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so the tools and parts you're going to need are a ratchet, an 8mm, a 12mm, a 17mm, a 10W40 oil, a new oil filter, and a new air filter. Step number 1, warm up the bike. Second step is you're going to remove the skid plate with the 8mm. Let's take it off. Now that we have the 2 8s off, we're going to take the 2 12s off from the bottom of the skid plate. Now that we have the skid plate off, we're going to move the oil drain can under. Now take your 17mm and remove the drain bolt. Okay, now once you remove the bolt, oil will start coming out, so be careful. This is why my dad's going to do it. Now clean the bolt and replace the crush washer if needed. Now you're going to torque the drain bolt to 21 foot-pounds. Now we're going to remove the oil filter housing with the 8mm. Make sure you keep your oil drainer there. Now is a good time to clean the housing. Don't lose that spring. Now you're going to put the oil filter in the housing. Now put it in. Now put a light coating of oil around that seal. Make sure when you're putting the housing back on to put the oil filter gasket facing up. Torque these bolts to 46 inch-pounds. Now put the skid plate back on. Now we're going to get some fresh oil. It takes approximately 1 quart. Make sure you have a funnel. Now we're going to check the spyglass and make sure it's full of oil. Now we're going to change the air filter, and to do that we need to take the plastics off.
You're just spinning the wrench. Get it?
Next we're going to remove the airbox cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Now we need to put oil on our new air filter. See how dirty that is in there? Make sure you clean it out. Now put your new air filter in. Now put everything back on the bike and you're done. Now that we've put the bike back together, we're all done. And that is how you do an oil change and an air filter change on KLX 110. Wait, before you leave, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. And don't forget to comment down below how cool you think my dad's channel is.